Now here is how you can save a route on Google Maps on the iPhone. So if you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So you might get inside the Google Maps, right? And let's say you are planning a route, right? Like, let me just tap on like random place, right? I'm gonna get the directions and then I'm gonna choose another point right on a map right in here. Obviously it's all random, right? And you can of course add more stops into it, so you can decide that you add even other things like I don't know, some random city in the plan, in the route, right? And as I say, the whole point is that you set up with a custom route which you perhaps want to save, because this takes a little bit of work and you don't want to lose all of the progress, especially if you add too many stops, right? So in order to save this, the way that we do it is by clicking on the done button as such, and we now have the route which we can share or save to some other places, right? So as you can see, we have a drive from the point A to point B to point 3, whatever. And now we can click on the share and decide to save the whole thing. Like, we can click on a copy and it's going to be copied as a link to Google Maps, which contains all of the data which we have manually input in here. So right now, if I go to Safari, for example, and if I paste the link to show you what it would look like on some other device, right? Even if I still go through the web version, everything is saved in here. So all of the details, all of the points, everything is there because I copied the link to that route. But of course, you can also save it in some other place, like you can save it to your notes or email or even to calendar. I know a lot of people who do that because that's actually very useful, right? Because if you plan on going on a specific date, you can also export it to your calendar or all of these apps which are available. But as I say, the most important part is likely going to be the copy thing, because when you copy the link, you can save it literally wherever you want, and all of the data is stored in there in terms of the route. So that's something I wanted to explain in this video. Let me know what you think about it. I'm going to wrap it up right now, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.